Day. David Pryor presents. Teddy Pryor ni umukinnyi w'imena. Teddy Pryor akarimo cyane. Night Close Production. Nuko tuyitangiye filime zinataragiraho. Tangira mwibuka hari filime yitwa Kabutura. Iyi ni Kabutura kabiri. The Deadliest Prey. Ya yindi yitwa Deadly Prey. Iyi ni Deadliest. David Campbell akarimo cyane. Igisaza cyari ikidebani niko babyita mu kiyakuza. Freeze Matthews. Mwibuke Teddy Pryor niwe mukinnyi nanone. Tara Sanford. Bitanji mukino mubi cyane. Cat Tomini. Raka. Art James. Karimo cyane. Hello, chick. Bakinnyi bone benshi gutangira ukwitegura mu buryo bwa gisirikare. Team James Steve McClinton ndetse na team mugenzi wabo. Kwitegura biracyajya mbere. Filime yiswe Deadly Prey. Ni ukuvuga ngo iki ni igice cya kabiri cya Deadly Prey. Nimwe mukunda kwita Kabutura. Iyi ni y'uyu mwaka 2010. Kabutura ngiyi kabiri. Associate producer ni Alson Moss. Bafatanije kugategura filime kacu. Yeah. Deadly Prey. Deadly Prey. David Pryor. Mwembateguye neza cyane. David A. Pryor. Executive producer nawe cyane amafaranga. Nyiri gukina umukino w'imena. Fabio Soldani. Executive producer. David A. Pryor yarayiyoboye yarangijana yandika. David Pryor ubwo wakinnye waho ndi witwa Kabutura. Ukuze kwitangira imyitozo y'igikomeje imyitozo ya gisirikare bamwe bitwa mercenary usanga bazigura. Kandi kwitoza kwazo no kwitoreza ku bantu mercenaries. Wowe ntabwo bakitwa mercenary. There he is. Uri ako. Gobora muri kuri hari rukatabaza ubuzima bwe. Abahingi nabo baje n'abahingi. Banya kuyingwa ni rakayize yakunoti iminsi ishize bigeze kumurika ngo yakunoti yakiyo. Ndabyandikisha ngo nibigo bishinzwe security bimwe na rimwe kera bitaga ba mercenaries ingabo zigurwa zitemewe uko Black Waters muri kibuga cyo kurinda ibihugu byagiye kurwana nko muri Iraq n'ahandi nkaho abo bakiri mercenaries ibigo bishinzwe umutekano bijya kurinda ahantu hose hakomeye gusa kuri intro abantu ba mercenaries barimo bariruka mu muturage abo yarananiwe toragura umuntu mu muhanda bakajya kumwitorezaho kiragenda nakubwiye ko umukinnyi yatangiye muri gice cya kabiri. Let's get this over. Let's get this over. Reka tukamuke aramusanga byumvise nawe kaka ndetse nako kugenda byagise
Here's one of us. Not anymore. Let's move out. This exercise is over.
Imyitozo irarangiye.
It's not another job.
wibuka neza umusaza Campbell wibuke mu gice cya mbere
Hogan. Yeah, 30 minutes. Get your shit together.
iminota 30 tugomba kuba usohotse hano
Suit yourself.
iki gisaza kibuke neza nticyari yitwaga Kano Hogan ni nawe wayoboraga ikigo gishinzwe kuba cyakwitoza bajya mu byo kuba bahiga abaturage umusaza ise kugereza kuba cyane gutwara kugana mu bintu yirukanwa no kwihorera
It's good to see you, Colonel.
Kano
Look pretty good for having spent 25 years in that place.
nagatangaza kumara imyaka
We've got the new camp set up and training started just like you told me to do. I was hoping that...
Hey!
bisa nawe utambwira icyo
Stop talking and start driving, bitch.
we rekera kuvuga amazi utwara imodoka wawe aramutuka mu cyongereza kirenze ingambo ni kibi cyane uzahera mwerekera kuvuga amazi wewe aramutuka
Oh, she be up.
Why?
Should you take out the trash?
Should I take out the trash?
Yeah.
Okay, just come right out. Yeah, check. Tell her to give me some coffee.
Teddy Pryor filimi itangira bamuhagurutsa ngo ajye kumena ibishingwe rw'ibiganiro bisabwa kubitoreza iyi ni pa n'imbuto y'igice cya kabiri iminsi irahita maze igahita nabaye urebye n'ibyo babaye uko bagaragaye ikaze kubera imyaka kumbe kubera amategeko y'imyaka myaka impamvu yushinze ikigo umuhanga ashinga ikigo kizamara imyaka ni uko mwumva uyanga ngo yashinze
Morning, honey.
Morning.
Oh, someone needs to brush his teeth, huh?
What do you want me to do first? Take out garbage or brush my teeth?
Both. And that order, please.
Give me some coffee, will you?
icyo wumva wahitamo nicyo watubwira
Right after you
hanyuma
come
natwe
in and
tubwire icyo
brush your
dukorera
teeth.
ariko ibishingwe biruzuye hariya
Better off in the army.
bari naje mu kanya bafite akana yaragiye ashaka n'umudamu n'umugabo wawe neza kumbe ngo nari yaragiye ashinga umushinga imyaka 26 umushinga we wari ukiriho niba uko wumva yanga ngo yagiye i Burayi niba nayisiga rugeraga rukiriho ntabwo ngo bakora bapfira ngo babijoro bafite n'ibindi bihi
Do you want to inspect the troops, Colonel?
There's only one thing I want. You know what it is.
It's happening as we speak.
Get better. Are these idiots ready?
They're all set.
Good. I've been waiting a long time for this.
nari ntegereje igihe kirekire ngo nzabone ibi ngibi umuswa ndamushaka wanshirishije muri gereza Teddy Pryor
Man, you know how to get to the out there.
ntabwo wibera mu ishinga
Yeah, sure. Go straight ahead. Take right at the light. You just keep on.
uraza kwibuka imodoka yigeze kujya kumena ibishingwe umunsi umwe ukayizana n'ibyo gusa
Yeah, sorry. Just go into the overpass and you'll see it.
umva nyihanganira rwose komeza ubwiyane kera yajya kumena ibishingwe yaptu
Damn it. I lost another life.
Yeah, me too. I'm on my third already.
This game sucks.
nuko mubizi nta muryango
I'm
ubura
gonna try to find
abangaduha
something else.
hano hari ibyana
There goes another one. This is the worst. There must be something we can do that'd be better than this.
I'm right there with you, man, but I don't know what it's gonna be. We've already pretty much played everything out there.
Man, I'm
Ibyana
not
zagiye
kidding.
kuri kompiyuta kugira uzazi
You know what'd be
zihagije
cool?
ntabwo zizi
What's
n'icyo
that?
gukora ntabwo bapfa gushoboka
It'd be if somebody comes up with something a little closer to real life.
nkuko wumva ngo bagiye kureba umupira
Yeah,
wa
like something more
Manchester
interactive.
Chelsea biba biri
Right.
live
Yeah, that'd be
Abana
awesome,
bazajya
but
barashaka
do you
izindi
guys
live.
think something like that even
Ishyura
exists?
utudorari duke
Well,
ukirebera
we don't know
umukino
until we look.
You know it.
True that.
komeza dushakishe turebe utanga abandi ku mukino abandi bati cyane ntabwo bigarukiye aho hari umukino ugiye gutangira daily play ntabwo hari umukino ugiye kuba umuhimba we go Aka Campbell Hogan
Remember me?
uranyibuka
This is not hard to forget.
maze igihe kirekire
I spent 27 years in
imyaka
hell.
imyaka 27 ni hell
You didn't even
umwobo
send me
w'ukuzimu
cosign.
kubera wowe 27 years in hell hole
Tell me this is some kind of joke.
27 years.
imyaka 27
Press me you're some kind of hero. Damn hero left me out there to
wumva
die.
icyakura intwari wantumye njya hariya kugira ngo mpfire
Look at this one. I ain't dead.
ntabwo napfuye
And now?
ain't dead
Now it's time to get even.
ndagarutse ngarukanye bya bintu noneho isi yose igiye kureba ninde ntwari hagati yanjye nawe wigize intwari buramfuye Hogan va muri ibi bintu reki ugomba kuba uri mu mikino urukanga
I'm gonna kill all of you.
zabica mwese
Everyone.
buri wese
And you.
wowe
I'm saving for last.
I'm saving for the last
Not this time.
kuri inshuro
You son of a bitch.
irukanga aramutuka nabwiye ngo araza kwica umwe ku rundi uyu ni wari bwikuze
Now go after them. Just remember,
mukurikire
no one kills another me.
atagira umwica kereka jewe ibyo mukora byose raka umuyobozi mubi tekera kuva mu gitondo uri kumwe n'umuryango wawe unezerewe abandi bakavuga kugira umuhigo tekera pray ni igihigo hari present za gatatu eshatu hari pray y'igihigwa hari pray yo gusenga hari pray yo gukina play hari pray guhiga pray yo gusenga play yo gukina akaba ari umuhigo umuhigo muri hapo ngo ni cyane kuri wa mbere deadliest kama deadliest play pray deadly pray with the deadliest kumbe iterambere ryaraje imyaka 25 kiriya gisaza gifunzwe kugeza kuri internet cyangwa bigeze kitazi internet kamera bazimutse hose turori baramuhiga sisi umugore asigaba umwana
Everything ready? Let the show begin.
yere kwitangira
Now they're gonna see.
Making noise. You die. Understand?
urasakuza urapfa urumva
Now what's going on here?
iki kijya mbere hano
What's Hogan up to?
ndi mu biki
I think it's just revenge.
ni ukwihorera
Revenge?
kwihorera
Yeah,
yego
I think so.
niko mbikeka
You gotta be kidding me.
urimo urabeshya
What's with the cameras?
He's
Camera.
put it all over the internet.
babishyize kuri interineti ahantu
Go
hose
to watch.
isi yose irimo irabireba ibyo turimo
Please,
ndakwinginze
please don't kill me.
winyica
I just needed the job.
nibwo nyibona akazi
You needed the job.
washakaga akazi Songo.
Should have filed for unemployment.
Wari kujya kwandika ibyandiko bisaba akazi. Mira.
Having any luck?
Not me.
No bikuhagaritse oya sigewe. Kumbe kuri internet.
I think I might have found something.
Yeah?
What do you got?
I just sent you guys the URL. Do either of you remember a guy named Mike Danton?
Are they based Rambo on or something?
It was Terminator.
No. Remember my dad talking about this guy? In some sort of weird military training exercise where people were hunting other...
Right. And he killed, like, everybody.
Like Terminator 2, then? Or?
No, man. This was for real, dude.
Pretty much, yeah.
So crazy.
I mean, it is crazy, but it actually happened.
Real?
Well, it might not be, but it might, so take a look at it until we find out.
True that.
You're the great and powerful Mike Danton? You've got to be kidding me, right? Right? You sure don't look like much to me.
Looks can be deceiving.
It's gonna be the easiest money I've ever made.
Daje nkurangije ugiye gukubitwa wari saza we. Uravuga ifumbira aza kubyuka ahubwo ni burwaye. Chuma! Wovuga ko agiye gukubita umusaza. Ijya cyarafunze. Ijya cyafunze umwuka wanga kuva. Ntuzongere kwibeshya.
What? It's simple. You're dead.
He's not there, huh?
Oh,
I don't know where the hell he went. He went to take the trash out and he never came back.
A new phenomenon seems to be sweeping the internet, and it seems to have something to do with men hunting men. Yes, you heard that right. We do not believe this is real, but we truly cannot say at this point.
Atangira gucaho abantu barimo barahiga abandi ntabwo leta ibirimo ndetse nta nubwo yizera ni bandi barimo guhiga abandi nabo babahigira.
We have to warn you, however, that many of these images are shocking, and we strongly recommend.
Ikintu twababwira nuko amwe mu mashusho arimo kuza akanganye tukaba tubabwira ko uyareba ari ku giti cye. Yo ni government. Dama kiranje umugabo ni urimo guca kuri internet.
Why is that on TV?
Mama kuki uri televiziyo? Wijimeje. Yabonye umugabo we.
Going.
Pretty much the way you said it would.
Well, we do gotta provide. It's out there.
Of course.
Make Dan think it's gonna be easy for him, just for a little while. I am. You got a problem with that?
Not at all. In fact, I find it kind of sexy.
And perhaps it's time we go inspect the rest of the troops. I won't be disturbed for the next 15 minutes or so.
Mujya mumbwira kijya mbere minota 15 ushobora gutinda aho ngiye gusura abasirikare kuri no mwabaswa. Kijya gusura izindi ngabo. Intambara zose ni kimwe. Nukina umupira bari mu ntambara. Nta rugamba ruruta urundi nanjye nsobanura mba ndi mu ntambara. Yes, cyagari. Muzehe nawe agiye mu ntambara, muzehe Campbell Hogan. Kumbe Danton. Z'umuryango we. Ugushimuta ukagenda bakakunaga mu gishyamba utazi naho uri. Ngabo baramwigira umuhigo. Bandi muce hakuno. Bas.
Four against one.
Bane kurumwe.
You're not walking out of here, Danton.
Ntabwo uri buve hano Danton.
And you are?
Wowe.
Yeah.
Ngaho.
Wrong.
Bime. Chuma. Umwe. Batatu. Batatu ni wowe. Nibo basigaye. Danton. Butura kabiri. Yariko simbutura n'ipinjama. Ze yarangije ibya gusura abasirikare aragaruka.
You're still good, Danton.
Uracyari umwatari Danton.
Maybe even one of the best ever.
Bagushakira baruta kurusha abandi. Ntabwo ariko uri mwiza kurusha uko bikeka. Not good enough.
do you want? I need to see the colonel. He's busy. I need to see the colonel and I need to see him right now.
I said he's busy.
But I need to see him now.
What the hell's going on here?
Bannon's killing everybody.
Of course he is, you idiot. What'd you think was gonna happen? How the hell did you get away?
Dan gave me a message for you.
What are you, his delivery boy?
No.
Oh yeah.
No. He was about to kill me then.
Are you gonna tell me what that message is, soldier?
to let it go and everyone can just walk away.
Ngo biveho cyangwa buri wese abeho amahoro.
If not,
hanyuma
what?
Iki?
He said we're all gonna die.
Cyangwa ngo twese dupfe.
Of course he said that. What else are you gonna say?
Numvaga ko yavuga ikindi kisa atari ibyo.
Said you're not the only one to have 25 years to get.
Ntabwo ari wababaye imyaka 25 wenyine. Nawe yarababaye mwiciye umugore.
Kill that coward.
Ica ko kagwari. Bari baragiye. Mugabo ari hano ni ikigome shaho. Hano igisura. Tekeza umuntu ufite isura bipa murusha isura nzima. Uwo muntu abasata.
I want to kill him. Know how good I really am. Uyu muswa kintu cy'icyana cy'igiswa gusa. Jake. You really do look just like your brother.
Uzi ko usa neza n'umuvandimwe wawe. Cyane ariko turatandukanye.
Can you fight like your brother?
Warwana n'umuvandimwe wawe?
Oya.
I'm better. Ndamurusha.
Really?
Mu by'ukuri cyane.
Would say we put that to a little test.
Wagusuzuma se.
Fight him.
Rwana n'uriya. Fight him. Kugisuzuma. Asa n'uruvandimwe rwacyo neza narwo rwishinzwe na Danton.
This isn't going to be a very fair fight.
Iyi ntabwo ari imirwanire ihwitse. Kubera Bogis.
Because he's already dead.
Kuko umaye umuntu ya ari umupfu.
Glad to have you with us, Thornton.
Giza kukubona sha. Uraruta muvandimwe wawe kabisa.
That's what I'm here for.
Jake. Icyo nicyo cyanzanye. Cyitwa Jake. Wiki? Pipi ninde? Noko. Gifite igisura. Tekeza umuntu ufite urusura ruto rwa pipi kuba rusa nabi. Uwo muntu abasate. Fight is on.
Move it.
Stand. Move it. Sakumbunda. Yewe. Danton. Bogis. Yeah. Hey. Put it. Hand to hand combat. Niko abyita gukubita. Yewe Danton.
Kaplan.
Kabati. Yitwa cupboard. Kabati. Muze kabati.
Getting a little old for this shit, don't you think?
Urashaje nabwo wakabaye muri uyu mwanda. You're too old for this shit.
Well, things got a little slow in Afghanistan. You know me. I gotta go where the work is.
Ubwo nari nyiva muri Afghanistan nashaka ikintu ndavuga ndireka nze niziye muri iki group.
Not at the last time. Tell me about it. Hey, Cap. I really don't want to hurt you.
Ntabwo nshaka kukubabaza pe.
What kind of problem?
Safite ikibazo. Ni ikihe kibazo? Do.
They got cameras here.
Bafite amakamera arimo kuducunga cyane. Niyo mpamvu ugiye kukubabaza.
Okay.
Batavuga ko turimo kugambanira ngo ugiye kukureka.
Somebody's got to get hurt.
Somebody's gonna get hurt. Umuntu agiye kubabara gihita kimubabaza. Danton. Kuri internet no kwa Faustin byagezeyo ku televiziyo twaho abantu barimo barabireba live. Danton.
Where the hell are you, Hogan?
Urinde Hogan, uri hehe?
I'm all around, Danton.
ndakureba ahantu hose ho Danton.
When are you going to stop sending me your Boy Scouts?
Uragarika ryari kunyohereza abanyeshuri bawe basa nabo barimo kwiga ibyo batazi. Boy Scouts.
All new time then. All new time.
Igihe cyose Danton, igihe cyose.
I think you need a little more exercise.
Nabonye ko ukeneye imyitozo gatoya.
The hell's that supposed to mean?
Biravuga iki?
This.
Iki. Bivuze. Bahagaze hose kigabo kira mu cyumba cyane ateze.
This is almost too easy. It's going right where I want him to go.
Of course he is.
So what do you guys think?
I think Danton's in trouble.
That.
So then the question is, what do we do about it?
What can we do about it?
First thing would be to figure out where he's at, right?
Trace that video feed and figure out where the signal's coming from.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, yeah. Then what?
I don't know, but obviously we need to do something.
That second group of men ready to go?
Of course.
Get them moving, make sure they know what to do.
Does this mean we have a little time to fool around?
More time to have fun with Dan.
Sometimes I think you're him than me.
You might be right.
I know it.
What the hell are you looking at?
Wowe urareba iki?
Job.
Kora inshingano zawe. Danton.
You must be Hogan, right?
Yeah, who the hell are you?
I'm Jason. This is Charlie. Show here.
We're just here checking in on our investment, putting a face to the name, so to speak. $5 million is still a lot of money, man.
Look.
Miliyoni enye z'amadolari usa nawe urimo kubona ni menshi ariko twebwe twakongezaho ukabona menshi tukugiye mu byuma byawe tukabikora n'ikoranabuhanga rihanitse.
That's true, man. We are doing great with it.
So great, we want to talk to you about turning this into a weekly.
Tuzi byo gukora twebwe turabikora neza.
Make many millions, dude.
Wakora miliyoni nyinshi kimudomaho. Mugabo yarariwe.
Dude, boy.
Ntabwo ndi mugenzi wanyu mwabyana.
You forget it.
Ntimunabyibagirwe.
Show this a one-time event. Once Dan's dead, it's over. Got it?
Ntabwo dushaka gukora imikino miremire. Muranyumva?
We're not asking you to change anything. Just maybe slow things down so that we can space things out over more time.
Icyo dushaka kubikora twabikora nk'amaseri.
Lots more money.
Faranga kinjira ni menshi ugakora umukino uyu munsi ejo ukongera ugakora undi buhoro buhoro.
You do anything to get in my way. No amount of money is going to help you anymore. You get my meaning? Do you?
Yes, perfectly.
Now get the hell out of here.
Go hano mugende mwanze ingoma.
Back to your $6 coffees. Enjoy the show. I don't want to see you in here.
Nujya munywera gakawa kwanyu. Mureza mukubito sinzongeye no kubabona. Ngo bari baje kwaka ikiraka. Cyo gukora kuri derinete. Hey.
What do you need?
Nibiki.
I don't think I can trust those dudes.
Biriya byana sinabyizera.
Get rid of it.
Genda ubatunganye. Sawa boss. Box.
I think I got it.
Ndamufite.
Yeah. Okay, check it out.
Navumbuye ahantu nari.
This area.
Signal ziraturuka muri aya mashyamba.
From over here?
Yeah.
Hano.
Well, that's not going to tell us where Danton is.
No.
Ntabwo ariko bitugaragariza aho Danton ari.
Area. Okay, see, check out this map.
murebe kuri iyi karita.
That's where the signal's coming from.
Aho za signal zituruka.
Right next to this national park.
So he's gonna.
Kumbe ni mashyamba ya leta mwewe ba mukerarugendo bazinduka bajyamo.
What are we waiting for?
Dutegereje iki se?
Anyone say road trip?
Twifatira urugendo tujye kureba ko twatabara umuntu. Werekere. Let's go. Kabicaho. Bajye gutabara umuntu batazi Danton. Kumbe ngo uyu mashyamba. Nambara burakomeye. Mugeze mwiriraho maze gutoragura ibyo byimbwa akekana rini.
Is that light?
Ya nurumurira.
I know exactly what that is.
Iriya bintu nzi byari byo.
I know exactly where he is.
Zinaho ari. Amashyamba iki gisaza cya Hogan cyayabayemo. Mwibuke neza nicyo cyatoje Danton. Abarebye imbutura rimwe yagiye mu biryo byimbwa mugabo nibyo agiye kurya inzara yari yamukubise. Ubushize yari iminyorogoto arya imbeba ubu arimo ariyahuza ibiryo byimbwa. Niyo mpamvu rwamamaje rwaririmye ni nka Kabutura arya iminyorogoto ngo ni nk'imbeba ngo niba yaramuriye ibintu nk'ibyo ntazi. Bamukereyeho mugenzi. Mubutura ubu ntabwo akiri imbutura ubu ndakubwira noneho yaje aripinjama.
He was here all right.
Yari hano ijoro
We saw the
ryakeye.
camera came from.
Tumushakisha hano kamera kuki zitamufasha.
Let's go get him.
Let's go get him tujye kumubona.
Keep in sight.
Hey!
Just remember, no one kills him but me. He's on the move. Go!
Yewe ibi ni iki koko? Yego. Danton umugabo yazindutse mu gitondo ntabwo yarazi ko bizabaho. Yakekaga ko ibi byarangiye kumba abagabo bagarutse mugenzi wagize nabi rimwe na rimwe niyo mpamvu abanyarwanda baca umugani wa kabaye icwende.
Playing with us.
Shut up. Let's go, move it.
Arimo aradukinisha mpongo mudamu wawe mukurikire kumbe dore cya kintu gisa n'urukuru rwacyo. Mwibuka mu mbutura igice cya mbere narwo rwambaraga imikara. Ibivandimwe zibiri. ngo niwe mbonye gongo Yo,
I killed you.
Narakwish.
You're dead. Not as dead as you're going to be.
Ugiye kubona ko utigeze unyica. Gato. Kumbe ikisi cyakintu uruni n'uruvandimwe rwo yishe. Eh! Mugisi. Pompo umuntu. Pombo y'igare. Pombo y'igare. Eh! Pompa. Pombo y'igare. Boygari. Pompo umuntu. Pombo y'igare. Hey.
Don't do it.
Wibikora nuko mukuru wacu bamukasurutwa.
Don't do it though.
Wibikora musirikare.
Killed your brother.
Ndabizisha umuvandimwe wawe.
Hell, you're entitled to it. You'll get it. Not here.
Urimo urashaka kwihura ariko sinona si hano.
Brother
Oba
was a faithful soldier to me.
Vandimwe yari umusirikare wanyumviraga. Urumva?
Obey an order. What about you?
Wowe uranyumvira cyangwa? What about you? Cyendaga kumukata urutwe nkuko nawe yakase muvandimwe wacu umutwe.
Well.
Byiza.
What will we do with you now?
Dukorera icyo umuntu nkawe. Mugisi. Akindi cyabaye bagiye kumufunga.
The big hero.
Wigeze ntwari komeye. Ku giti cyawe. Danton.
Man who thinks he's the best. Well, he sure don't look like the best right now, do he? No, he sure don't.
Urakeka ko byakugerekera nga cyagiye sibyo?
Because there's only one best. That'd be me. He knows it. I know it. And all you out there know it.
Ubu hari umuntu umukuzi ni jewe.
How will the great Mike Denton?
Michael Danton.
Should involve torture, perhaps? Oh, that'd be fun right there. Should I drag it out and make his last moments as miserable as possible?
Nta kintu kibabaza nk'iminota ya nyuma ndetse n'ibihe bya nyuma.
To the head? Quick and easy like. I want to hear from you.
Shaka kumva ibyawe.
Your emails, or titters, or whatever you people do out there now these days. And let me know.
Urashaka abantu baraza kubaza ngo niki twakoraga muri iyi minsi twabikoreraga he? Danton. Yo kirimo kiramubariza kuri televiziyo nta nubwo azaho kiri. Kumbe turabazindutse ngo bagiye gushaka ko bafasha umuntu batazi.
Well, that's not exactly what I'm talking.
Tugeze turimo turerekerayo mwana, turimo turerekerayo kabisa. Ni hano hafi tu. Umva man, ni hafi tu. Mivugire ni ya nkongoro ngo nabanyamujye ibintu by'inyamirambo rwose igihe naramumiwe. Komeza tugende man. Umva niga.
How are we supposed to do that?
How's somebody turamutabara?
Guns or anything, you know?
Any way we could.
Nta buryo bwari bwose dufite twatabaramo umuntu. Turabikora uko dushoboye.
Yeah, okay.
Sawa.
That's cool, I guess.
Dukomeze ndacheka.
So you're Mike Danton.
You're Michael Danton.
After all the fuss, I would have thought you'd be bigger.
Nachetse kuri munini kurushaho.
Out is how you managed to kill all the colonel's men all those years ago.
Wisha abagabo ba colonel na ya myaka yahise.
Maybe I just got lucky.
Ari nabaye munyamahirwe. Oya.
Wasn't luck.
Ntabwo yari amahirwe.
Be good to beat Hogan and you damn near killed him.
Ugomba kuba umwanga kubaranganya na Hogan n'ingabo ze ndetse nawe ushobora.
And I'm going to kill you.
Nawe ndamwica ubwo nawe nkwica.
Oh really?
Nibyo se? Really? Tamukandagira ku ntuza karivuna. We hari ibintu bijya bivunika ariko intuzi yivunitse intuzi ivi kararivuna.
But I'm still going to.
Ndakwica nimo kuvuga karakandagira. We.
And I'm really gonna enjoy watching you die.
Ndaza kunezezwa no kukubona urimo gupfa reka nongere nyikandagire ingasire yivi. Ndavuga ingasire yingiyo mwivi. Hakandagiye ingasire.
Don't have the time.
Wamuswa. Igihe kiracyari cyo kukwica dore kurusa. Gasukusuku. Ibyo bintu yubitutse yakuntorya arababara kandi niko ase. Hawe wamubwira uti yakuza uragasukusuku aturanutse yaramitanye. Kobwa kirimo kugenda kirongera kiragaruka Danton aracyafunze. Umwana iri kambwe baraziranye kuva zamani. Muze yaje kwishakira ikiraka. Ufunga mucuti we n'ikiraka ntawo bihuriye.
What are you doing here?
Kora cyane.
Since you let me live, I couldn't take off. I had to do something for you, buddy.
You sure you want to do this?
Damn right I do. So guys, we gotta stick together. That's all we got, Mike.
Tugomba kugumana kugira ngo ube wavana amahoro. Ibyo nibyo ufite. Nibwo bufasha nago. Vano tugende Mike. Niko bimeze.
Let's go.
Tugende.
Hey Chief. You seen the colonel? I need to talk to him.
Nobona colonel ndashaka kuvuga nawe. Ari mu biro. Ari muri command center.
Where's that?
Hey.
Over there.
Hurry.
Oh shit. Is it clear? Yeah, come on, let's go.
Natunganye undati cyane ngwino tugende.
Hey guys. Anybody got a light? No.
Hey. Bas.
Hey, I forgot something.
Wewe wibagiwe akantu. Bas.
A bitch!
Muswa!
Damn!
Ni Danton!
Move out! Come on!
Tugende sha. Mugabo yarahiye asigara ikintu kimeze nk'ikibonde. Ikintu cy'igifupa Apache. Ndege zigezweho, helicopter igezweho Apache.
What do you want?
Shaka you. Whoa. What
happened?
Bitch.
The asshole helped Danton escape.
Judges kwa jifanje Danton arachick.
Son of a bitch!
Uzamwongeramo. Dore isura nakubwiye umuntu urutwa na pipo ubwiza. Uwabasate. Kandi pipi nawe ugasa nabi. Niba ari umuntu ufite agasura gakanganye kuri dunia ya Mungu, pipi ni uwa mbere. Ariko arabiza ajya yivugira ngo zikonsa n'akanyamasyo.
Take the men with me, going after myself.
Buri wese nugufata intwaro command center nubwo bayisiga nta muntu urimo. Nugukurikira Danton ku giti. Hanyuma wowe.
Sure.
Ukora ibishoboka ku buryo turi bumufate.
And I'll kill you.
N'umunyamahirwe kuba nawe.
Love it when you get angry.
Ndabikunda iyo urakaye.
Damn it! Come on, move out!
Nawe nugufashe uko bishoboye. Dore uko kasi. Danton. Shamba muze arayinjiriye. Hogan. Mbutura kabiri. Danton Michael. Deadliest prey. Umuhigo mubu usumbye izindi kuba mubi cyane. Iruko ridashira. Hey! Ningi mbuturi ry'iminyorogoto uyu munsi ni pinjama irimo kubapima. Payaf. Hey! Irakurura kiguma gihagaze wajya tuvanya ni igikenyeri. Bas uyahagaraga mu biti. Ndi nawe kunapima wajya wono ni ikintu cy'igiti kiraho cy'igipoto. No nakubusha gica. pipi sekuru pipi pipi nabaje ariko se pipi ukomoka ngo menya ari muri Ghana cyangwa ndi ikivejuru yarumiwe imbuto ry'iminyorogoto n'imbutura iry'imbeba.
This guy's good.
Yeah, so I've heard.
Bapfu wabaye abapfu.
He's close.
Ari hafi.
Good.
Byiza. Tugire. Fight! Buna mu kirere ka mugabo uwatojwe. Aya! Yasamye nka nkongoro. Nkongoro yapimwe umuhogo uyu ni mu gahanga. Mugira naryumvise. Bajya gusanga isasu rivugiye ureba basuka kuntu babaye. Hari iyo umuntu akora kigabo nk'umukongomani ugahita usubira inyuma. Rivugiye hakurya ukakata hakuno. Uru gukora nk'abantu baturuka muri Repubulika Iharanira Abaturage bazamburi. Rero kugira imbere ugaca inyuma. Barishoye kumbe bagiye kuba. Hey!
Are we? I don't know. I'm still waiting on Kid Genius over here to tell me where to go.
Hey, you know, I'm working as fast as I can. If either of you think you can do a better job, have at it.
Ako se turamenya ari he ndimo ndakora bishoboka nanjye byihuse. Turimo tuyagendaho mwambwe sinyali zituruka.
Business.
Mwana nyangasa ni cyamfasha tukagenda uriya muntu amaze kuba umustar ari kuri internet ari ahantu hose urumva kunyabwanda.com ariho. Ngo wabikubitiye kudapima ibigabo. Nako ntibigeze babikubitira kudapima. Aya. Moto! Kicyare kuye rimwe cyaje ki.
You think you got him?
Uramupimye?
Of course I did.
Cyane ndabikoze.
Move out! Move out!
Mujyere. Kirabura bavugisha uko hari umuntu aravuga iminwe igatitira ukavuga ubusa. Na pipi yo yabonye yagatangira kuvuga ubusa yatitiye gusa. Ya, munzira. Kumbe dore bya byana byari bice kumufutabara bitamuzi.
Don't shoot, please, don't shoot.
Wirasa turakwingi.
That's him. That's Mike Danton.
Wone Mike Danton.
That is.
Yeah, with Danton.
Ow.
I'm Steven, that's Frankie, and this is Candy Girl in back.
Then it was Steven when Frank uri Candy Girl.
We came out here to help you.
Twaje kugufasha.
You've been watching it all on the internet and
twakurebye kuri internet hey.
Okay, now listen to me. You need to move the hell out of here before you get yourselves killed. You understand me?
Ugomba kuvana mbere ko mwicwa murumva.
Yeah, we know. Jump in the car, come with us.
Turabizi jya mu modoka
It's
tugufasha.
not a good idea.
Ntabwo ari byiza mwabana mwe hano. Kumbe dore. Sekuru pipi.
Car!
Mubahisha, mubahe. Kamodoka nako baragatobagura.
Go, go, go!
Get.
we got Mike Danton in the car with us. How
turi kumwe n'umusitari uzi kuri internet ko abantu bose bakuzi turi kumwe mu modoka kweli.
Gets.
Agashi.
Hi again.
Uraho. Heko kumbana. Heko ma abastari we. Kirahebe bawajyaho n'intama. Bikobwa no kubona abastari bijya nkubitana na by'inyamirambo bikajebeka nkabireba nkamwe.
Floyd.
N'amabera arereta. Buza gato je cyarabahaye.
We got lucky.
Tubaye abanyamahirwe. We got lucky. Bikobwa bibonye abastari. Hagiye bijebeka amabera karereta nayo akajebeka. Ukumirwa.
No. Because about an hour or so, I'll have something here's this damn gonna want.
What's that?
Let's get back to camp, I'll show you.
Hey man, we got shot at!
Yeah, with Mike Danton in the car!
We bari baraturashe. Muraho. Heko mana we. Abantu bakuze fresher mugira. Yitangiye barwana uri murajya.
Wait here.
Tegereza hano. Tegereza hano. Akatuye nyumba ni mu rugo. We're here. Cya gikobwa nacyo giteye nk'imuruturo wajya ni farasi yicaye hariya. Niko, urakora iki wanjye?
Really? Where's my wife and son?
Umwana wanjye n'umugore bari.
I thought that would have been more than obvious.
Ntago ari bisanzwe. Nkwereka ko tactics technique bakoresheje kubona Danton byose ni kimwe n'imyitozo kimukoreraho. Kumbe yaciyemo kera. Bari hano. Bame tuvugana.
I got your woman, Danton.
Mfite umugore wawe Danton.
Hogan, you and me.
Biri hagati yanjye nawe.
Oh, it is between us.
Biri hagati yacu.
It's always been between us.
Yahoze hagati yacu.
It's just part of it.
Gusa nabo babirimo.
Family, Hogan. And I'll make you pay.
Hogan.
Ways you can't even begin to imagine.
Nuramuka ukoze ku muryango wanjye uraza kwishyura mu buribwe utigeze unaceka.
Like I tell you.
Reka mbwire.
Otherwise, I'll do all sorts of evil things to this little bitch.
Igikobwa cyawe kirababazwa n'ibindi bugikore nanjye.
You hear me, boy?
Uranyumva agahungu we?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Nakumva cyane.
You meet me tomorrow at dawn. You and I will have it out.
Duhura umunsi w'ejo mu gitondo. Jye nawe tubirangiza. Uranyumva? I'll be there. Ndaza kuba mpari. Ugomba.
You're stupid like that.
Uri umuswa bimeze bityo. Salama bitch. Niko cyavuze uko mvuze niko cyavuze.
It's gonna be a lot of fun to watch you die.
Bigiye kunezeza nk'ubona upfa. Yego kubita telefoni yako. Bagis.
You're gonna be sorry you did that.
Uzasaba imbazi bigiye gukobiza ibyo ukoze.
I don't think so.
Ahubwo reka nkwereke n'ibindi.
Holy shit.
Mwanda wera umvikiracyo. Ngo holy shit hari umwanda wera ubaho.
I told you guys to wait outside.
We nababwiye mutegeze hanze.
Yeah, I know, man. I know. I just thought maybe we could help.
Naketse ko wowe wifuza ubufasha.
This. I found him creeping around out in front of the house.
Akana nagasanze karimo kurunguruka inyuma y'inzu. Mike Pryor. Kumbaga kana kitwa Mike Pryor. Nakana kumugabo Teddy Pryor.
Safe, okay, well, like we get mom.
It's Mike Pryor.
You guys okay with that?
I was hoping we could help you a little more than that.
Listen to me.
Uyu mwana mwamufashiza mukamuri kumwe. Twatekezaho twagufasha birenze.
Somewhere safe.
Mwana muto reka kujyana ahantu harinzwe, sibyo?
Yeah, you got it.
Urabifite turabigukorera. Ariko niba ushaka n'abakomando twanagufasha. Biturage biraho wajya ni cya Jean Paul n'urusatsi gusa. Ukweto binuka mu za carbone.
been watching my little game. Today is the day you don't want to miss.
Mw'abantu mwe mwese mwakurikiranaga imikino yanjye uyu munsi mutari buhombe. Ni umunsi.
The man that left me out there to die.
Umugabo wansaze kugira ngo uri buhure n'ukuzimu kwe. Kuko jye navuye mu kwanjye. Murumva mwa baturage mwe bishyura kuri interineti. Moka pam. Nuko.
You can count on that right there.
Muraza kubara uyu munsi niwo igisura naguye pipi buriya. Uyu amurusha kuzeba hano abariko barinda guhuza. Yewe. Yego boss.
Let's do this.
Reka tubikore. Let's do this.
Let's go, honey. Time to have some fun.
Tujyane mukundwa ni igihe cyo kwinezeza.
Going to kill you.
Arabica.
Yeah, right. I've heard that before.
Gupfa. Nigeze mpaho na mbere. Genda tugende. Danton. Butura kabiri. Deadly pray. Deadly pray. The deadliest pray. Oh.
You two stay with her. You spot Dan. Even think he's in the area.
Mwebwe mugumane nawe mubonye Danton. Hari igihe wagira ngo ni ikintu kiturutse mu kuzimu kikazamuka gusa. Itonde.
I've killed more people than cancer.
Raka. Danton. Umwe. Gahanga. Navunikiramo.
He's close.
Ari hafi.
He's close.
Ari hafi cyane. He's close.
Stay close.
Mungume hafi. Mungume hafi cyane.
Get that son of a bitch! Move, move!
sibye sibi ururupfure
Shut up!
Funga umunwa. Boss aramwihera. Salama bastard. Nakuruye.
He's out of ammo.
Arashiriwe.
You ready?
Biteguye.
I was born ready.
Bazani abahungu bawe biteguye je wimbaza ibyo. Atovamo. Chao kumbe itaguriye karizindi. Bastard. Stupid. Baswa gusa. Izi ngo yashiriwe kumbe burahagera. Arabishyira muri target yagiye yibikira imbunda hagenze igiye hose. Oya. Irakurura. Kabutura. Bas.
We'll take her. You go out there and get after Jan.
If you do, you're gonna die.
Shut up! Get moving!
Baramutandukanye. Wae genda ujya guhiga Danton nugenda urapfa.
Don't worry.
Nugera ikibazo.
Few short moments, you and your husband will be joined together forever.
Iyo tugiye kubona bizatunezeza iteka.
You thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah, man, I'm thinking what you're thinking.
Uratekereza ibyo ntekereza naye ndatekereza ibyo utekereza.
Let's go, man.
Dusubire inyuma oya tujye imbere. Wowe uratekereza ibyo ntekereza nari nibeshye.
Danton! Danton!
Nahebera.
Got your wife, Danton.
Umugore wawe Danton. Subira inyuma. Got your wife, Danton. Danton!
You better come and get her.
Better come and get her.
Die!
Biruta nuko aza kumubona cyangwa
Danton!
Danton!
Danton, you hear me, boy?
Anyumva wa mwana we.
Better come and get her.
Mubone.
I'll skin this bitch alive, Danton. I swear to God I will. You hear me? You know I'll kill her, Danton. Just like the last time. I swear to God I'll kill her. You're gonna curse the day you met me, boy. I'm gonna kill her, Danton. You got one more chance, Danton. I'll kill her. You know I will. I'm gonna kill her. Danton!
Danton!
Kill her.
Mokich.
Shut up.
Tataka.
Please don't. Please.
Twinginse.
I want it.
No!
What? Kumbaka ka Danton. Michael. Pryor. Hayo kwa kuchiga waje kugu. Karega kumbe boss yavanye igihoro. Boss yitebe mupagasi. Iboko. Eh! Pass. One by one. Mwe kuundi. Yo!
You okay?
It's okay.
Listen, I'm sorry for dragging you into my mess. Once and for all. You take care of your mom, okay?
Sibyo? gatoya gahaye uburenganzira bwo kujya kurinda Marco.
I'm right here, Hogan.
Yano Hogan. I'm right here, Hogan.
Didn't even bring a gun.
Nani muda wazanye.
This man to man.
Nashatse kuyo tubikore mugabo kundi.
Recruits. Try to teach them something, and they go start thinking for themselves. You know damn different, Danton.
Just thought you'd want the satisfaction. After all those years in prison.
You're right. Just don't get what you want.
Danton!
Danton!
Hey, that's Hogan!
Hogan!
What the hell's this, Dan?
Back up.
You shouldn't have come here.
He's right, you know. You shouldn't have.
Nothing to do with this, Hogan.
Oh. Fuck them. Your turn, Dan. I'm gonna kill you, you son of a bitch!
Oh! Ukareba abantu bakambye ubusura nka ba pipi n'abangaba bose hari igihe kigira gutyo ukabona kibaye nk'imimbi ubwoba bukabitaha.
You're not getting out of this time.
Ntabwo uri bubivemo kuri inshuro.
I got news for you, Hogan.
Mufitiye amakuru Hogan.
Already have.
Niko bimeze. Yewe! Mwanda! Wigipanga! Ye! Man, kimwe hakurya ikindi hakurya. Cyana pwe gitukana. Ayo data we! Imana ishimwe we! Ayiga we! Yewe we! Yewe cyapfuye kinavuga ibigambo bibi. Hapfuye kigitukana. Umbe! Ayo we! Ayo we! Abaturage ibyishimo bwari bwose shaho nayo the prior ibintu yabirangije once and for all binako yavuze cyagihe abwira umugore we ati ibintu biraza kurangira once and for all. Mene bishingwe mbanze mborose undati byose icyo wumva wahitamo nicyo watubwira hanyuma natwe tubwira icyo tugukorera ariko bishingwe biruzuye hariya mugabo mwiza bari ndaje mukanya bafite akana yaragiye ashaka undi mudamu n'umugabo bayeho neza kumbe Colonel yaragiye ashinga umushinga imyaka 25 afunzwe umushinga we wari ukiriho niyo uko wumva yanga ngo yagiye Burayi dewana nayisiga arongera agaruka ikiriho bangongoro bakora bamwiba amanywa nijoro bafitemo ibindi bihigi byitwa bya jomporo sha.
Do you want to inspect the troops, Colonel?
There's only one thing I want. You know what it is.
It's happening as we speak.
It better be.
Hari ikindi wifuza Colonel umva ikintu cyari cyo cyose nifuza murakizi kandi muzi cyari cyo.
Good. I've been waiting a long time for this.
Nari negereje igihe kirekire ngo nzabone ibi ngibi. Umuswa ndamushaka wanshirishije muri gereza. Umushwa wamushirishije muri gereza nguyu Teddy Pryor. Inchoni yarasohokanye n'ibirenge agiye kumena ibishingwe afite umwaka mu bishingwe shaho umwaka we wibera mu bishingwe.
Yeah, sure. Just go straight ahead.
Go
right at the
komeza imbere nugeraho hari abadahambana kati bumoso. Baza kwibuka imodoka yigeze kujya kumena ibishingwe umunsi umwe kayizana n'ibyo gusa.
Sorry, just go underneath the overpass and you'll see it. Can't miss it.
Umva nyihanganira rwose komeza nkubwiye hano. Imodoka iragenda yibashijeho. Kera yajya kumena ibishingwe. Yep.
Yeah, me too. I'm on my third already.
This game sucks.
Uko mubizi nta muryango ubura abanajyoha. Hano hari ibyana byigize byanajyoha. Ibyishimo ni bwose biri kuri Derinet.
I'm right there with you, man, but I don't know what it's gonna be. We've already pretty much played everything out there.
Mwana za game zo kuri computer kunya uzazibone zihagije ntabwo sizi nicyo gukora ntabwo bipfa gushoboka. Bari barashakisha za game ziba ziri live. Nkuko mva ngo bagiye kureba umupira wa Manchester na Chelsea biba biri live. Aba nabo za game barashaka ziri live. Kwishyura $2 duke ubundi ukirebera umukino.
You know it.
True that.
Komeza dushakishe turebe utanga abandi ku mukino. Mu bandi bati cyane. Ntabwo bigarukiye aho. Hari umukino ugiye gutangira. Daily Play. Ntabwo ari umukino ugiye kuba umuhigo we. Go! Araka. Campbell. Hogan.
Remember me?
Uranyibuka?
Guess I'm kinda hard to forget.
Maze igihe kirekire.
I spent 27 years in a hellhole.
Imyaka 27 ni hellhole mu mwobo w'ukuzimu. Kubera wowe. 27 years in hellhole.
Tell me this is some kind of joke.
27 years.
Myaka 27.
It's made you into some kind of hero. Damn hero left me out there to die.
Wumvisha ko uri intwari wantumye njya hariya kugira ngo mpfire.
Guess what? I ain't dead.
Ntabwo napfuye. Ain't dead.
Now it's time to get even.
Ndagarutse ngarukanye bya bindi.
Now.
Noneho.
The whole world's gonna see it. It's really the best.
Isi yose igiye kureba ninde ntwari hagati yanjye nawe. Wigize intwari uramfungiye.
Easy, Hogan.
Hogan. Va muri ibi bintu. Reki.
You gotta be kidding me.
Ugomba kuba uri mu mikino.
Run.
Irukanga.
I'm gonna kill all of you.
Nzabica mwese.
One.
Buri wese.
And you.
Whoa.
I'm saving for last.
I'm saving for the last.
This time.
Put intro.
Now you run, you son of a bitch.
Irukanga wamu aramutuka. Namutuka. Arabwiye ngo araza kubica umwe ku rundi. Uyu ni wari bwikuza.
Now go after him. Just remember.
Mukurikire.
No one kills him but me.
Atagira umwica kereka jewe. Byo mukora byose. Rakai. Ngabo ni mubi. Tekera kuzinduka mu gitondo. Uri kumwe n'umuryango wawe unezerewe. Abandi bakazinduka bakugira umuhigo. Daily Play. Play ni igihigwa. Hari play eshatu. Hari play y'igihigwa. Hari play yo gusenga. Hari na play y'umukino. Play. Hari play no guhiga. Play yo gusenga. Play y'umukino. Uyu ni umukino akaba ari n'umuhigo. Umuhigo mubi cyane nguyi. Deadly. Ako ngo ni mubi cyane kurenza uwa mbere. Deadliest ni nako filime yiswe The Deadliest Play. Prey. Ya indi yitwaga Deadly Prey. Uyu ni Deadliest. Kumbe iterambere ryaraje imyaka 25 kiriya gisaza gifunzwe ubu bigeze kuri internet. Cyavuye muri gereza kitazi internet. Kamera bazimanitse hose. Turori. Baramuhiga. Sisi umugore asigaba umwana.
Everything ready?
Ready to go online, sir.
Let the show begin.
They're all gonna see.
Si yose irabibona.